How to diagnose a faulty hot surface igniter. If your furnace is trying to run, opening the gas valve but not lighting, then you likely need to replace the hot surface igniter. Simply disconnect the wires as shown, put your multimeter probes in either spade connector, and turn the furnace on to heat. If the multimeter shows 120 volts, then the power and control board are good. This means that you need to replace the igniter. If you are not getting any voltage here, the problem is elsewhere. We will look at other issues that could cause this in other videos. There are links in the description to the related tools required if you need any. These are Amazon affiliate links. We get a small commission for you following our link, but the cost to you is the same. Your support helps us keep this channel going, providing you free advice. Please like and subscribe so we know you want to see more of our free tips. You can email us directly for tips and tricks at the email address in the description or in our channel detail. Thanks for watching. Keep checking our channel for more HVAC tips. Leave any comments for any specific videos you want to see. Now we will show you how to remove the igniter. Furnace will differ, but generally you can remove it with a 1/4 inch nut driver. If you're replacing, simply remove the faulty one and replace with the new.